People that have high astigmatism or irregular corneas, a lot of times, unfortunately, we get to a point where a typical spectacle lens or a typical astigmatism contact lens can't really correct the vision. And that's simply because when you distort that front of the eye, you create what's something that we consider like an irregular astigmatism. So it creates some different optical distortions that you can't correct with just a simple glasses or contact prescription. In that case, then what the scleral does, because it vaults over that entire front surface of the eye, you can kind of think of it like giving you a temporary, perfectly spherical, perfectly round cornea with no distortions in it. And in that scleral lens too, if you still have a little bit of residual prescription just because of the shape of your eye or the length of your eye, if you're still a little bit far or nearsighted, we can very, very easily put that into the scleral contact lens as well and correct that prescription that's left over.